welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today we have a question sent in by Mike in Kansas City. If you have a question for the podcast, you can call in, leave your question as a voicemail, or just drop me an email, bill@mrexcel.com, and we'll get to you. Mike said that he has several rows of data with words going across the columns that he needs to join into a single column. There's not always the same number of words in each case, and he says, is there some fast way to do this? Well, we always use the concatenation formula, so equal A1 ampersand quote space quote ampersand B1 and so on down the line, but that can get really tedious, especially if you have 7 or 12 or 15 words. So that's not the best way to do it. Now, I told Mike that this way is really not going to be satisfying. If you select all of those words, Control C, go to a new blank spot, edit, paste special, and choose transpose, then click OK. Now you can select all of those words plus a whole bunch of extra columns and use edit, fill, and then choose justify, and Excel will put all the words together. But I said I can't imagine that is going to be the most fun thing in the world. The one other option that I thought of was to use view and then task pane and display the clipboard. Now the clipboard is interesting because when the clipboard is shown and you copy several things, so I'll copy the first one, then the next 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 one, I can go to a new cell, type an apostrophe, and click paste all, and it will paste all of the items on the clipboard. Unfortunately, it pastes them with carriage returns or line feeds in between. I'd have to go back and turn off wrap text, and even then I'm going to have this frustrating unprintable characters, so I'd have to use the clean function to get rid of that. Not going to work. So I think the best thing that I can come up with is to select all of the cells at once, use Control C, and then switch over to a blank notepad window. Use Control V to paste, Control A to select all the cells, Control C to highlight everything again, and then go back to Excel, type your apostrophe, and Control V. Not the fastest way, certainly, and actually I'm going to invite you, if you know a faster way, to merge all of these cells from A1 through G1 together into a single cell that's better than the notepad way. Please drop me a note, Bill@MrExcel, and we'll get that on a future podcast. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.